All right, guys, I've got a massive opportunity for you, a small market cap, but this is one backed by some big players. You guys know I've talked about Consensus, right? Consensus is a complete suite of trusted products to build anything in Web3. 21 shares. They are massive, company heavily targeted to getting TradFi investors into crypto. OKX, one of the biggest centralized exchanges in all of crypto. All of these big companies and big players are backing this new idea and this new opportunity. And it's called D.Fi. It's at De.Fi on X. They were founded back in 2020. They are the Web3 super app. And you guys are going to be very impressed what this thing could do for you. They do have a token, but it's much, much bigger than that. This is an opportunity for you guys, not only from a token standpoint, but just from an application standpoint. I'll leave all the links down below. I'm going to dive into it for you guys in this video. And I think toward the end, you'll see what I'm talking about, why there's so much to like about what these guys are doing and how they can help not only onboard people, but keep people in crypto by giving them the tools and resources they need to have freaking success. And let's get into it, because this application we'll talk about offers quite a bit. I'm going to highlight a lot of it here for you guys. You guys can see they have a massive following on X, D.Fi. Their website, though, Web3 AI Super App, your DeFi portfolio tracker. Control your digital assets with a full suite of innovative tools. Invest confidently, supported by our auditing experts. You can enter the app right through their website or enter any valid address or domain. And you guys can obviously buy the token, stake, earn rewards, and participate in DeFi Accelerator. But it's way more than that. Okay. Now, the DeFi token itself, users can take part in the ecosystem, provide your vote on any governance proposals submitted by the community, as well as benefit from other exclusive features within the platform. It's insane when you look at their group of investors. I mentioned Consensus, OKX, 21 shares. It's backed by all of the leading venture capital firms and prominent DeFi investors around the world. And then they've got their angel investors as well. Here's Justin Lee from Coinbase. John is from Binance. Here's a founder of Synthetics. Insane when you look at this list, right? Head of institution at Polygon, Dean Thomas. They've got great exchange investors. Key opinion leaders on X as well include the likes of the Moon, that Martini guy, and many other big players in the space. Now, if we take a look at their products, their dashboard where you can manage and monitor all of your crypto assets, the crypto market just gives you, some tools and resources and information. You've got the auditing scanner, analyzing smart contracts, rec databases, understand how to basically hunt down what are scams and hacks and how to stay away from these. Audit database, research DeFi investments, explored yields, explore and invest. Obviously, you can send. They've got their swap. They've got an APR, APY calculator, profit calculator. This is what I'm saying. Like, this is much more than meets the eye. This is a one-stop shop, a hub for you guys as investors. Now, obviously, they've got their token and everything, but you can use all of this, all of these resources and tools as well by, hooking up with D.Fi. And they've got their white paper, their DeFi token utility, their roadmap here as well. Highly encourage you guys to dive into the white paper anytime you really want to dive deep into a project. This is a pretty lengthy one, 44 plus pages. They get into the whole DeFi phenomenon and the craze, but they really hit on the issues that DeFi presents and why so many people get roadblocked into missing out on the DeFi opportunity. Then they get into their mission and their experience. They've got a super experienced team. We talked about their big VC backing and a lot of money behind this, guys, for this thing to be successful, right? The portfolio section of the dashboard enables users to see wallet information by tokens such as prices, token balances, and their values in USD. You can see your P&L for each asset, your profit and loss. It accounts for assets balance change from any incoming and outgoing transfers. That is pretty awesome. The receive rewards value is calculated, multiplying the total amount of the reward asset with its weighted price. So all of this is done for you within their application. A lot of people don't even know where they're at on their assets. They don't even know if they're up or down or, where exactly they stand. You want to have this information at your disposal at all times before you're making plays to see if it's, worth the risk, right? To see if you can actually take a chance on whatever it is, the new meme coin or whatever, right? And they've got the loyalty program as well, and that is kind of built into their whole ecosystem. And I'll tell you what, guys, there's a lot here, and I highly encourage you guys to check it out. But you guys get the idea here of what they're bringing to the table. They also have a new centralized exchange listing coming on the 28th. So that is being teased a little bit right now. Definitely keep that on your radar. And we're going to continue to track what De.Fi is doing. They are still early on in their phases. Yes, they've been around, founded in 2020, but they are constantly adding to what they've built. And this is the tech lead at D.Fi, our team, and 10 years of dev experience, 4+ years in Web3. And he invented crypto's first DeFi antivirus. And he is the lead guy on this project. And it's going to be fun. It's going to be exciting watching them build this out. And I really like what they've built here for, people in Web3 to really take full control of their finances. There's a lot they're offering here. And shout out to the team for sponsoring today's video. And I'll leave all the links down below, guys. Get involved, get in their Telegram, get on the X page, and do a deep dive on this website and white paper to see if it's a right fit for you guys. Appreciate you all for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.